Welcome back to Tap Tech, the place where we explore the most exciting products shaping the future of technology. Today, we're diving into a camera that has been creating serious noise in the photography world. A camera that many professionals are waiting for. And if the early information is anything to go by, Nikon might be preparing something that could shake the entire mirrorless market again. Yes, I'm talking about the upcoming Nikon Z9 II. Stay with me till the very end, because the details about this camera are getting wild, and the upgrades Nikon is working on might change the whole game for sports shooters, wildlife creators, and high-end filmmakers. The Nikon Z9 was already a beast. It stunned everyone by removing the mechanical shutter and still delivering insane performance. But after almost 3 years, the competition has changed. Sony is getting aggressive. Canon is preparing newer bodies. And Nikon knows it has to push even harder this time. That's exactly why the Z9 II is becoming one of the most hyped camera releases of the year. Nikon understands its audience. They know this model is used by professionals who need reliability, speed, cutting-edge autofocus, and extreme video power. So the expectation is not small. People want a real jump. Not just a refresh. And Nikon seems ready. Let's talk about the sensor first, because this is the heart of the camera. The original Z9 had a 45-megapixel stacked sensor. But the Z9 II is expected to introduce a new generation stacked full-frame sensor, pushing faster data readout, lower rolling shutter, better low-light, and improved color depth. Nikon has been testing new stacked sensor designs, and many camera analysts believe the Z9 II might bring a resolution bump. Something around 52 or even 60 megapixels has been rumored. But at the same time, Nikon knows this camera must stay fast, so they won't go too high and sacrifice speed. What seems most likely is a redesigned 45 to 52 megapixel stacked sensor that reads out faster than anything Nikon has built so far. That would allow higher burst speeds, cleaner 8K video, and smoother performance in demanding environments. Now, speed is where Nikon always pushes hard. One of the biggest expectations with the Z9 II is an upgrade in continuous shooting. The original model delivered 20 RAW frames per second and went up to 120 frames per second in certain JPEG modes. But the market has changed. Sony's Z9 III introduced a global shutter sensor, and Nikon will want an answer. We're expecting the Z9 II to hit at least 30 frames per second RAW and potentially even more with JPEG. There's also talk about reduced blackout, faster buffer clearing, and improved heat management so shooters don't slow down during long sessions. Wildlife and sports photographers rely on every frame. And Nikon knows each missed moment can mean a missed paycheck. That's why they are focusing heavily on speed and reliability. But the biggest upgrade many users are waiting for is autofocus. Nikon has been working hard to refine its autofocus algorithms, and their latest Z-series improvements already show huge jumps in accuracy. But the Z9 II is expected to take things much further. We should see a brand new AF engine with a more advanced deep learning model. That means better subject detection, faster tracking, improved eye detection for humans and animals, and more accurate lock-on during unpredictable motion. Nikon is also expected to introduce better detection for birds in flight, motorsports, and more unique subjects that creators work with today. Autofocus is now a battleground for every camera company. And Nikon wants the Z9 II to be seen as one of the most reliable systems in the world. If they get this right, the Z9 II could be the camera professionals trust in the toughest shooting conditions. Now let's jump into video, because Nikon surprised everyone with the first Z9. It is one of the strongest video cameras in the market even today. Internal 8K RAW. Oversampled 4K. Long recording times. But the Z9 II is going beyond that. Analysts expect improved internal 8K recording with better heat management, higher bit rates, and possibly 8K at 60p. That would be a huge step for filmmakers. There's also talk of improved 4K oversampling, maybe even 4K at 240 frames per second. Nikon pushed hard with NRAW and ProRes RAW, so we expect these to stay, but improved with lower noise and smoother internal processing. Filmmakers want a camera that can take any project, from wildlife documentaries to cinematic productions, and deliver flawless results. The Z9 II is being shaped for exactly that. A major part of the upgrade is also expected to be dynamic range and low-light performance. With a more advanced sensor, cleaner signal processing, and improved noise handling, the Z9 II should deliver better shadows, more highlight control, and smoother gradation for video work. Nikon has been improving color science across the Z lineup, and the Z9 II will likely push skin tones, color accuracy, and white balance consistency even further. That's something creators working with mixed lighting environments will love. Speaking of toughness, Nikon always delivers when it comes to build quality. The Z9 II is expected to continue using a pro-level, weather-sealed magnesium alloy body that can survive extreme conditions. The original Z9 became famous for its durability. It was built like a tank. The new version will follow that path but with enhancements like better port sealing, improved buttons, and potentially a more ergonomic grip. Nikon also wants the Z9 II to handle heat better, especially during 8K and long shooting sessions. That means stronger cooling and better airflow design internally without increasing size. Battery life is another important area. Nikon will likely use the same ENEL18 battery system, which makes sense for professionals who already own accessories. But with new processing and improved power management, the Z9 II is expected to deliver longer shooting times per charge. More shots in the field, more recording time, and fewer interruptions. For professionals, that matters more than anything. And then we have the electronic viewfinder. The Z9 ZVF was good, but the market is moving fast. Many people expect Nikon to introduce a higher resolution EVF, possibly 9 million dots, with higher brightness and extremely low latency. An improved EVF makes action shooting smoother and gives creators more confidence in what they're capturing. Nikon knows how important that is. On the software side, Nikon is preparing some new tricks. We should see better menu organization, faster startup time, stronger tracking features, new waveform or zebras for video shooters, and maybe even new custom profiles for color grading. And of course, firmware support has been a major strength for Nikon. They updated the Z9 many times after launch, giving users new features for free. The same long-term support is expected for the Z9 II. Now let's talk about price. Nikon hasn't confirmed anything yet, but based on the first Z9 and the rising competition, the Z9 II will likely land in the same range, around $5,500 to $6,000 in the US. Nikon will not want to price themselves out of the market, especially with Sony and Canon preparing their next bodies. Professionals who invest at this level expect stability, performance, and long life. And Nikon wants this camera to remain relevant for years. What makes the Z9 II exciting is not just the upgrades, but the timing. The mirrorless market is more competitive than ever. Sony is pushing global shutter innovation. Canon is pushing aggressive autofocus improvements. But Nikon's strength has always been balance. A camera that does everything extremely well, not just one thing. And the Z9 II represents that philosophy. A true flagship that blends photography and filmmaking into one powerful tool. Nikon knows their audience. They know the creators who shoot wildlife, sports, commercial work, documentaries, events, and filmmaking. These creators need speed. They need reliability. They need ruggedness. And they need a camera that can keep up with their imagination. That's the energy behind the Z9 II. Before we wrap up, think about this. If Nikon truly delivers the new stack sensor, faster burst speeds, next-level autofocus, better 8K, improved cooling, stronger battery life, and a high-resolution EVF, then this camera might not just be an upgrade. It could be one of the most complete flagship cameras Nikon has ever built. And maybe even one of the most competitive cameras in the entire market. Thank you for watching Tap Tech. If you love staying ahead of the latest camera releases and premium tech, make sure to subscribe so you never miss the next deep dive. Your support helps us bring you the most accurate and engaging breakdowns of the gear shaping the future. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, and keep exploring the world of tech.